G'day guys, this is Ben with the Tent World Online team here, just down at the Toowoomba store. Having a look here today at the Oztrail folding table with storage. So what's great about the Oztrail folding table with storage is that it's nice and light, but still really sturdy. So this table only weighs about 7.5 kilos, but can hold about 30. And if you'll notice, just across the sides here, you've got all these little handy storage pockets that you can fit cutlery, you can fit sauce bottles, anything you might need to stash there. And then along the front, you've got these nice storage pockets where you can fit plates, you can fit really anything you want. Treat it as a pantry, treat it as a nice little storage space for your smaller items. So this table comes with 3 adjustable sizes. So you'll notice here that you've got a couple of different legs that you can adjust off, and they just easily screw off like that, not much to it. Take that off and you can have the table sitting nice and short, great for board games, sitting around it. Can take off these little legs, just like that. And like I said, just completely adjustable. So believe it or not, this is actually the table completely packed away, and we're going to run through how to set this bad boy up. So set it down, you've got a nice carry strap here, which is handy. Unclick here, fold out, and you've got here your 2 cupboards. I'm going to set those to the side for now. Got your legs here, take those out, and you can fold up the table from there, making sure that those corner joints are clicked in. Now we're going to set the table up, screwing in the legs. And these legs you can adjust to any size you want, like I said. Screwing in there. And repeating the process 4 times till you have all legs screwed in. So once you have the legs screwed in, pop it up, making sure that you've clicked in the side bit here. And that bracket will keep it nice and stable. And once you've got that all set up and your joints are locked in, you can grab the plates and slip those straight into the cabinets, making those storage spaces really nice and sturdy. Thanks for tuning in with us today, guys. Can't wait to see you come down to the store or call us in the online team. Thanks and happy camping.